Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making fries that crisp reliably. Cut potatoes to a uniform 1/4 1/2 inch and soak them 20-30 minutes to remove excess starch. Dry them well. Damp fries cause oil to spit and steam instead of crisp. Heat oil to 350-375 degrees F in a deep pot or fryer and monitor with a thermometer so temperature holds. Once oil is stable, fry in small batches to avoid dropping the temp. This first fry cooks through and builds structure before the final crisp step. Once the fries have had their initial cook and drained, raise the oil to 375-400 degrees F for the second fry that creates color and crunch. Fry small batches 2-3 minutes until golden and crisp, then drain and toss lightly with salt. Meanwhile, grate 6-8 ounces of a melty cheese like cheddar or Monterey Jack and preheat your oven or broiler to finish melting. You can also use a cast iron pan. Make sure toppings are ready so you'll assemble immediately. Timing preserves heat and melt. You finish by arranging hot fries in a single layer on a tray or skillet, sprinkling grated cheese evenly and adding extras like bacon or jalapenos. Place under a hot broiler or in a 350 degrees F oven just until cheese bubbles and becomes glossy. This usually takes 2-5 minutes. Watch it so it doesn't burn. Once melted, serve immediately for best texture. If the cheese separates or fries turn soggy, quickly flash crisp the fries 1-2 minutes and switch to a higher melt cheese. That fixes texture problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.